What's up, y'all? It's your boy JC back again with another video. Just wanted to give you guys some updates on some garage work that I did over the weekend, so stay tuned. Alright, basically started off by choosing a garage heater because it's way too cold out here up in Canada during these winter months. And so with the advice of a friend, shout outs to Andrew, xmetalxgodex on Instagram, I picked out a oil-filled radiator style heater from Canadian Tire. It's like 70 bucks or something like that. And the cool thing about it is that he pointed out it's actually safe in a closed environment, unlike, like, say, a propane heater. And unlike a propane heater, this puppy actually comes with a thermostat, so it's not on all the time. It'll it'll adjust according to the temperature of your garage. So I picked this thing out, but I noticed that it was actually struggling pretty hard to heat the garage. And so I thought to myself, what could I do to kind of retain a little bit of heat without breaking my bank? And so I decided to insulate my garage door. And I also noticed that I was losing a lot of heat from this space in the ceiling that I needed to seal up. And so off to work I did. I went to Home Depot, and as you know, Home Depot is currently only curbside pickup because of the pandemic. And I had the challenge of bringing a 4x8 sheet home in a Honda Fit. And so you kind of have to score it in the back, crack it in pieces, and make it fit, right? Eventually I got them home. I did such a sloppy job, but after a while that turned out looking like this. Now, mind you, I did use some drywall screws, but that's HVAC tape that you see there. It's not like a masterpiece, but it did the job. Next came the garage door. Bought some bubble style reflective aluminum, whatever whatchamacallit. I got some pretty good reviews from some Canadians on Amazon. Plus also my friend Dan also runs the same stuff on his door. So I went ahead and spent maybe an hour to do that. That was kind of easy. And so you must be wondering, like, did it help any? Well, yeah, as a comparative test, before doing all those changes, I was only getting to at most maybe 5 degrees Celsius. But afterwards, here's the difference, actually hit 10 after a couple hours of heating. And so I'm pretty stoked about that. It should allow me to work more comfortably here in the garage over the winters. But I'm not gonna stop there. I think I got the green light from the commander-in-chief to go in on some insulation and drywalls. So that should come sometime soon. However, I really feel like this is warm enough for me to throw the engine back into Mark II. So stay tuned, that's coming next. If you like this video, give it a like. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell notification, yada yada. You know the drill. As always, guys, set yourselves apart, and till next time, peace.